In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Inpainting to fix small details in Artistly AI. Once you're logged into Artistly AI, go to your dashboard and open the Direct Canvas Editor or Image Editing Workspace where your generated image is located. Next, select the image you want to fix and zoom into the area that has the small detail you want to improve. Then choose the Inpainting tool and carefully brush over only the part of the image you want to correct. This could be something like a facial detail, a hand, an object edge, or any small imperfection. After that, type a clear prompt describing the fix you want. For example, refine facial features to look sharper and more natural, or fix hand to have correct anatomy and natural positioning, or clean up background object for smoother edges. Once your selection and prompt are ready, click Generate and let the AI rebuild only that selected area while keeping the rest of the image unchanged. Finally, once everything looks clean and polished, download your improved image. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.